Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling Always On Display on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select Display and Brightness. Scroll down the Display and Brightness settings and tap Always On. You can now tap the toggle to enable or disable the Always On display. When the toggle is green, the Always On display is enabled. When grey, it is switched off. When Always On is switched on, you can choose whether you would like the complications data to be shown. For example, would you like your calories burned or whatever complications you have on your clock screen to be shown while your wrist is down? Tap Show Complication Data and turn the toggle on or off depending on your preference. When the toggle is enabled, you can also scroll down and choose to disable it for specific apps. If you would like complications to be shown on wrist down, but would like to prevent certain ones from being shown. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.